Next, you need to do what? What do you need to do since you've been outside, you think? Wash your hands. First thing a good cook does.
Wash.
Good. Make sure you got really good.
That's good.
Yep, let's try it.
I
All
don't
right.
know why I feel.
So the first thing that goes on the fruit pizza is, or the first part of the fruit pizza that you need is you need a giant cookie. Okay? So we've greased our pizza pan and we have a cookie here that Carter's gonna mash out. Start mashing. You gotta mash it out like this.
You might get your hands.
You might get your hands a little dirty, right?
That's okay. That's okay. Honey, get good. Wow. That's because that's how we be. And I did.
Do that side.
This side too.
Yeah.
Don't drop it. You guys, when you make a cookie, it should be like this, and then when you bake it, it don't not for long. You guys just bake it.
All right.
So we put in the oven, which is this. Now it might do a little bit dangerous, but though it's okay. Your parents can help you. Guys, the cookie is done. We're gonna put the stuff on it. So you can put your own lines. It's like banana. What are these?
Kiwi.
Kiwi and strawberries and berries.
Blueberry.
Blueberries.
And then what's the white stuff? Do you know what the white stuff is?
It's cream.
It's cream cheese,
Cream cheese,
powdered sugar,
powdered sugar,
butter,
butter,
and vanilla flavor.
and vanilla flavor. So now we're gonna put the stuff on it. First we gotta put the cream flat.
Okay.
So let's do it. The cookie.
It's a lot of cookie in the middle. We might be able to get some of this cookie out.
Yeah,
It's quite doughy.
I'm gonna put the bananas and the strawberries and the blueberries and the kiwi.
Well, this is good because you get two of your favorite things, which is pizza, right? Even though the pizza is made from cookie. And then you get fruit, which everybody that knows Carter knows he loves fruit. So you need to wash your hands again because you got your fingers in your mouth.
Okay.
Okay. Look at Daddy.
Guys, it should look like this when you put in the refrigerator. It should look like this when you put in the freezer. But we gonna put in the freezer.
Where are you gonna put it?
In the freezer.